Hello everyone, this is Veronica from Mixed Media Vero, and I am back with, after a long time, I know, with a new album, especially for Halloween. This is the one. We love Halloween, and even though we had an album like this kind of all year round album, which contained 2 pages for Halloween as well, we felt like we should do album just for Halloween specifically. So it took me a while until I decided onto the design, and I stopped at LM's LM's Crafty Creations Carta Bella Christmas album tutorial, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. So her album is for Christmas, mine is for Halloween, and it has 2 pages only. Hers has 4. At the moment I felt I could stop at 2. Maybe, who knows, in the following years I will do others. Inside I am not done with hers has a pocket. Maybe I will do a pocket as well, or if I don't have the energy I will just put a big photo there. The structure of the pages is really complex. This is the 2 pages. This is how they look. The front of the pages is identical, but as soon as you turn the page, it will change. It will start to differ. The album is 20 by 20. I mean, the pages of the album are 20 by 20. The covers are 22 by 22 with a binding of 5 centimeters. So this is how it looked on the front. You saw here I have to put photos and maybe even on the pattern paper, but I don't think so. Now you close the flaps and you block them with this photo mat. Sorry, as you turn the page, you will have again something pretty complex, like I said. First of all, you have pocket that holds a photo mat. It is 19 by 17, I think. So it has space for either 2 big photos or 4 smaller in the classic shape. Here is the more mats done in a kind of a pocket way, not pocket, I don't know how, unfolding. And it's for the first time that I use magnets as a closure system, and I loved it. And here behind, under the 31st, there is another magnet that keeps it tight together. Here is only 1 pocket. I know it looks that there is another one above it, but no, it's tricky, like in Trick or Treat for Halloween. So this would be the first half of the page. Now comes the second half of the first page, and there you have a photo mat and a big mat for a big photo. And then we turn the page, and again we have 1 photo mat in that big pocket. This photo mat could be even bigger than mine, so you are recommended even to make a bigger one. And then inside you have 2 narrower pockets with 2 narrow mats for smaller photos. And I decorated the pockets with 2 fussy cuttings. And then there is something more. Yes, there is something more to it. The last part of the first page, 2 big mats for photos. Again, they are, I think, 18 by 18, something like that, or 17 by 17. Now, moving on to the second page. Again, you can see the front is identical to the first page. Inside, in the middle, I felt, because I love that page, that pattern of the collection, and I put that one, and I left space for 2 smaller photos only. It closes with this flap or yeah, photo mat. On the verso it has again a big mat for photos and another unfolding system for 3 or 4 photos, I think, even 5 if you count the one on the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5. This can be no bigger than 9 by 13 centimeters. Okay, it looks nicer, I promise you, when you actually make the bow. Now, for the sake of time, I didn't. And then to the second part of the page, here you have a waterfall. A big, that mat really has to be bigger, because mine, I made it way too small and it falls inside that pocket all the time and I just forget about it that there is there. Here you have space in the waterfall for 11 photos of 10 by 15 centimeters. So I haven't counted yet how many photos you can hold in this album, but it feels like pretty many. Again, on the back side of the inner cover, you can do either a big photo or again a pocket. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye!